Welcome to the course Project-Based Text Mining in Python. The data science jobs are on the rise, and considering the importance of data for any organization, it is essential to have data engineers or experts related to data science. The structured data stored in the relational databases is only a fraction of the whole of it, while most of the data is unstructured and noisy textual data that cannot be ignored from processing. In this course, we are going to study to structure the unstructured data. We will perform pre-processing to get rid of the unwanted sequences of characters and tokens. This clean and structured data is provided to machine learning techniques for analysis. We will be doing a high-level analysis on the data, that is information extraction, sentiment analysis, classification or categorization of documents, and grouping or clustering of documents based on the relevance. The course also indicates towards building your own dataset by scraping and cleansing data from the web. By the end of this course, you will be doing projects that will combine the concepts that are being studied in individual modules separately. I will be your instructor for the course, Dr. Taimur Khan. I have 8 years of experience in academia and research. Prior to that, I have 2 years of experience in the software industry. I am currently working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science at National University of Computer and Emerging Sciences. My PhD is in computer science with major in computational linguistics. During my PhD, I worked on applying unsupervised machine learning techniques to extract useful information from a sequence of tasks by building adaptive models that would share their knowledge across multiple tasks. My MS is in information technology with major in web applications. I have published around 20 research papers, including both journal and conference papers with a book and a book chapter. I have supervised final year projects almost in similar numbers related to the areas of computational linguistics, recommender systems, natural language processing, sentiment analysis, information extraction, and semantic web. The course is for students who are beginners to data science. They know how to program, particularly in Python, and have basic understanding of machine learning. Having said that, each concept is going to have a theoretical part that will help you towards learning the background theory, and then in the second part, its implementation through the code is demonstrated. If you have basic understanding of natural language processing, that is good. We will be using it primarily for pre-processing. Again, each concept is going to be covered with theoretical background and implementation through the code. So anyone who is beginner to data science and have some concepts of programming can start with this course. Why in Python? Because Python is easy to code in, and I can assure you that. I wrote code for my PhD models in Java, and they were a lot time consuming and difficult to debug. Recently I have switched to Python as it's easier to work with, and the code is more compact and has better readability. Most of the machine learning and natural language processing repositories and modules are available in Python and can be easily imported into the code. Primarily, we will be using Sci-kit learn and NLTK libraries throughout the course. The course is planned to have 8 modules. We will start with an introduction and a starter code to get a feel of how the course is going to be. In the second module, textual data is structured or vectorized for representation into a vector space model. The next 3 modules focus on clustering or grouping of documents, categorization or classification of documents, and their validation and evaluation techniques so that we can evaluate the performance of multiple models and compare them with each other. The evaluation and validation module will help to choose a model among many models to see which suits best for a specific task given a data. The 6th module is about data pre-processing, where natural language processing concepts are used to remove stop words, punctuations, and to normalize words to their basic forms. In the 7th and 8th module, we will do analysis on the data, that is information extraction through topic modeling and sentiment analysis. Finally, the course is concluded with 2 projects comprising of most of the modules that were covered in the course. The objectives of this course are to be able to read textual datasets or create one through scraping data from different sources on the web. To be able to pre-process the data by removing noisy tokens and domain-specific stop words. Data from different sources have noise of its own kind and therefore have to be dealt with accordingly. For example, the data from the web has unwanted element tags and attributes, while the data from PDF has unwanted formatting details. It is important to pre-process the data before doing any meaningful analysis on it. The students should also be able to scientifically evaluate which model is doing better in comparison to others. You should be able to perform information extraction from any given data by identifying the main concepts discussed in the data. You should be able to perform subjective analysis on the data to see public opinions. You should be able to perform sentiment analysis on the data by evaluating millions of public opinions on a given concept, which can be a product, a service, or an event. If you have got anything to discuss with me, you can email me directly at taimoor.mohammed@gmail.com. My Skype ID is taimoorkhan003, or you can contact me through the portal's communication support. So you want to enroll or still thinking about it? It's risk-free with 30 days money-back guarantee.